Good evening, guys. Here's a quick video for you. I repaired this sill plate. It's a right side sill plate, and as you can see, I actually used my plastic weld to weld the plastic together. There were a couple of cracks, and the reinforcement plastic tab was was damaged. So what I did is, with my plastic weld tabs, I brought them together and then weld them. So now these tabs are still in there. I'm letting it cure because on the top of that I put some CA glue, as you can see closely. Let me see if I can get you a close-up for it. Yeah, see that build-up right there? And I believe you can see, you know, that's a CA glue, and I'm just letting it cure. So once it's solidified, everything is nice and solid, and then I'm going to cut these metal tabs off, and then the sill is ready to be used and installed in the car.